Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle. In this video I want to show you how to make some Drought Parched Earth bases. Here are the paints I'll be using, and a list of materials can be found in the description below. The first thing I did was I rubbed some GW Agrellan earth all over the bases. After it dried, this will give me my cracked parched earth. These bases I'm working on today were provided by Cobalt Keep. Cobalt Keep is a company that makes bases compatible with all your favorite wargames. These bases are magnet ready with a built-in slot for when you're ready to upgrade your mini transportation game. From now until June 7th, shop with the code EOB15 to get 15% off of your order of bases, painting handles, and project boxes from Cobalt Keep. Once that was dry, it was time to add in my second texture, fine grained sand. The crackle dries randomly and so gives me the pattern that I should follow with my sand. I brushed on PVA glue everywhere the cracks didn't form. This will fill in my bases nicely. Then I sprinkled on my fine grained sand and allowed it to dry. It was time for painting. I gave each base a light gray prime. I'm using my airbrush, but you could also do this with a rattle can. And still using my airbrush, I sprayed on a base coat of Stonewall gray. If you don't have an airbrush, I would suggest finding a rattle can of gray to use instead of a brush. A brush on base coat could fill in some of your cracks. Then I took some Vallejo Earth and watered it down until it was mostly water. Then I rubbed it all over the base. It will leave lots of gray showing, but catch on all the texture created on the base. I did a similar process with some Vallejo Beasty brown, keeping this more to the raised fine-grained sand parts of the base. Then finally, to blend those colors together, I gave each base a coat of super watered down Vallejo chocolate brown. Then it was time for some decorations. I put dots of white glue and stuck down small tan pebbles. And then last but not least, tufts. I sprinkled on a bunch of 2mm beige grass tufts. Micro tufts are quickly becoming my new favorite thing. The only thing left to do was to paint the rim of the base black. And there you have 3 drought parched earth bases, ready for your dusty adventurer's feet. We make tutorials like these every single week, and if you find them helpful, you might consider supporting us over on Patreon. Over there you'll gain access to some behind the scenes and other exclusive content. If dry, sun-bleached earth is not to your liking, you could try the opposite and base with cold Arctic environments like freezing, frightening glacier bases. Find this video and lots more like it on our basing playlist where you'll find tons of easy and unique bases. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.